Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, the situation is still that Bitcoin continues to be in this price channel to the downside, this kind of descending wedge or price channel. Bitcoin hasn't broken out of the channel yet. So the trend is still down. Overall, it's making lower lows and lower highs. And at the moment, we have in my opinion, a three-wave rally off the lows of the Thursday, the 15th of June low. And at the moment, this can still count as a fourth wave. So I'm watching for another low in a wave 5 into the region between 24 and 24.5K. However, things are different now since we came really into the trend reversal area, because as you know, if you've been watching my previous videos, things are not that crystal clear anymore in this entire, well, over the last few weeks, basically since April, we've been waiting for lower prices, lower prices, lower prices. Another low, another low, another low. I know people couldn't hear it anymore, but it hopefully guided us well through this very, very difficult wave count. But now with this latest low on Thursday, we are observing a possible trend change. Because with that low, our alternative wave count was fulfilled, which allows for the idea that all of this wave 2, this entire correction, is already finished. So it's not clear yet. So it's all about the bulls. Can the bulls now get this trend change done from a downtrend into an uptrend? And on this chart is highlighted what we need to see for this trend change to work. Okay, so it can easily still fail, because at the moment we only have a 3-wave move to the upside, which I'm counting as a wave 4, which could get one more low. And that's at the moment still the expectation until price can prove higher. However, we have certain support levels that, if they hold, can give us a nice impulse to the upside. So this is what we need to see for a trend change to happen. There are two ways in which the bulls can now get this trend change done and at least increase the probabilities for it. So the first one is to move up in the orange wave count. 1, 2, 3. This would now be a wave 4, probably not finished yet, and the wave 5 to the upside. I said to you in the last video that if price breaks above 26,680, price should rally in a 5th wave into the 27K region, can give us 5 waves, and then we have at least a possible larger impulse to the upside. And if we then get an ABC structure to the downside in a wave 2, this would then be a wave 1 to the upside and a wave 2 to the downside. Then we have a 1-2 setup, which can set us up for higher. This is the first pattern in which price can achieve a trend reversal. The other pattern is, but for this structure, price needs to hold 25,969. And in the other pattern, we have a wave 1 already complete as a leading diagonal. Wave 1 done, and we would get into this region. And support is here 25,175. If that is holding, price can rally also in a 3rd wave. But this is the pattern which is a little bit less stable, a little bit more fragile. Yeah, and if we lose the orange support area at 25,969, it already increases probabilities that we indeed follow the yellow count for one more low. That should give you all relevant support areas, all the pivot points for the 2 possible trend reversal patterns that can develop from here. Remember, this is the first time in weeks or even months that I'm telling you there is a decent chance for a reversal. That's why we just need to observe it and track it at the moment just to see how it develops. It cannot be confirmed at this stage, the trend reversal, but it is the time to watch, because this is now the first time in months basically that Bitcoin can do a proper trend reversal, because the wave counts allow for this entire correction already to be complete. But that doesn't mean it has to be complete, because one wave count allows for another low, which means that we are observing this trend reversal and need to understand, okay, what does price need to do, what are the conditions so that it works. Okay, based on that you can obviously do your trades, and the pivot points are what's relevant here, and they should be known. Also the breakout point to the upside is now clear, which is the B wave high at 26,698. Okay, be aware that a trend change situation is the one situation when you do analysis which is the most difficult because it is obviously in a state of transition. Yeah, it's not clear yet. So the trend isn't very clear down anymore. It is currently working on a breakout, but only time will tell if it's successful. All right. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.